Think your English grammar is solid? Let's find out. 25 mixed grammar questions, tenses, prepositions, articles, and more. Only 5% get a perfect score. Ready? Let's go. Question 1. She blank to the store yesterday. Question 2. I've been living here blank 2018. Question 3. He blank watching TV when the phone rang. Question 4. There are blank apples on the table. Question 5. If it rains tomorrow, I blank stay home. Question 6. She's the blank person I've ever met. Real talk, you're doing great with this quiz, but knowing grammar rules and actually speaking English are two very different things, right? If you understand everything but struggle to get the words out, From Stuck to Fluent was made for you. 500 everyday phrases, organized by real situations in a 30-day plan. Check the link in the description or scan the QR code on screen. Question 7. We blank to Paris 3 times. Question 8. He doesn't have blank experience in marketing. Question 9. She asked me where I blank. Question 10. I'm looking forward blank meeting you. Question 11. You blank eat so much sugar, it's bad for you. Question 12. The book blank written by a famous author. Question 13. Blank, you ever tried sushi? Question 14. She runs blank than her brother. Question 15. I wish I blank speak French fluently. Question 16. He blank his keys somewhere in the office. Question 17. We need to leave now, don't we? Question 18. She told me that she blank coming to the party. Question 19. I'll call you as soon as I blank home. Question 20. He's used to blank early in the morning. Question 21. Neither my brother blank my sister likes horror movies. Question 22. The concert blank already started when we arrived. Question 23. If I blank you, I would take that job offer. Question 24. She's not used to blank in public. Question 25. By next year, I blank at this company for 10 years. That's it. 25 questions done. So what's your score? Be honest and drop it in the comments. If you scored over 20, you're doing amazing. Hit that like button, subscribe, and tap the bell for a new quiz every single day. See you tomorrow.